So tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again.
Happy Thanksgiving. Hey lipstick besties, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video, and this time two metallic colors, so holiday, so festive. The first one is this copper red orange that goes by the name of Santa Claus, and then the second one goes by the name of Noel. And I wanted to give y'all some red and green vibes. Let's get into it. These metallic shades were so fun to create and I can't wait to share. Stay tuned. Let's mix it up. Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Let's mix it up. Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Lipstick game. Let's mix it up. Alright lipstick besties, before we jump into today's video, I just want to say that today's full recipe will be on my Patreon, and for a small pledge every month you'll be able to have access to all of my recipes for this video and future videos and my archive recipes. Shout out to my current patrons. I love you guys so much. Alright, to my bowl I got my Very Veelo Beauty lipstick base. That's what we're going to start with. And then I'm going to go in with some champagne mica. That is going to be the start of the show and helping to create these metallic shades. The champagne mica has like some gold reflex going on, and it is going to be the perfect base to make the colors shimmer and shine versus just using plain old titanium dioxide. Next, I'm going in with some red number 40, alum lake, batch certified of course, and I'm going to be mixing that into that champagne mica. The next and final color that I'll be adding to this red is the blue number 1 alum lake. I wanted this red to be a little darker and I want it to be a little different. I already have a metallic red shade that goes by the name of Hong Kong, and then I wanted this shade to be still festive but unlike any metallic that I've ever done before. So the blue was the perfect little change and shift in color that I needed. Then I finished it off with some more lipstick base just to really make sure we capture that shimmer and that shine, and I filled up my bottle leaving an inch of space just so that we'll be able to add in our stopper like so, and be able to have an allowance for the wand to move. So just like that, we've created our first holiday shade. It's like a nice copper red orange. It came out so pretty. Moving on to the next shade, I'm starting with my base again, and also that beautiful champagne mica, which is what I like to use when I'm working with metallic or I'm creating metallic shades. And I'm just gonna mix that in thoroughly before adding what makes green, blue and yellow. Yes, I'm going in with some yellow number 5 and some blue number 1 alum lake, and then I'm gonna mix that in really good with my rubber spatula first, then proceed to mix it with my hand mixer. Now that we're done, I'm going in with some Very Veelo Beauty lipstick base. You can grab it from my website, veryveelobeauty.com, to finish off this beautiful festive holiday green shade. And just like that, we're done. We are done with both of these beautiful shades. This beautiful red orange, copper red orange metallic shade. Oh my gosh, so pretty, so festive for any time of year, but you know, just to keep the holiday theme going. I love the way that this green came out. Sign me up for anything that shimmers and shines. Of course, I can't leave without mentioning that it's that time of year again, my annual Black Friday sale where there is 30% off the entire site. That's veryveelobeauty.com, and be sure to put in the promo code BLK Friday to take advantage of this awesome end of the year sale. As always, thank you so much for allowing me to share my gift with you. Have a happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys do whatever it is that you want to do, eat whatever it is that you want to eat. And as always, stay blessed. Until next time, I love you guys. Bye.